Hello, and welcome to Investigative Math. Today, we will be learning how to find the sum of reciprocals. So let's get to it. For those of you that don't know, a reciprocal is just what happens when you take a fraction and you flip it over. So let's take 2/3. So the reciprocal of 2/3 is just going to be 3/2. The reciprocal is also the same thing as the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. That and reciprocal mean exactly the same thing. So, for our first example, we have 6/5 plus 5/6. The first step is to multiply the denominators. 5 times 6 is 30, and so that's going to be the denominator of our fraction. Then, take the difference between the numerator and the denominator. In this case, 6 minus 5 is 1. You want to take that number and square it. 1 squared is 1, so 1 is our numerator. From there, just always add 2. So our answer is going to be 2 and 1/30. To recap, first, just multiply the two denominators. 5 times 6 is 30, so that's our denominator of our answer. Then take the difference, 6 minus 5 is 1, and then square it. 1 squared is still 1. After all that, you always add 2. For our next example, we have 7/11 plus 11/7. It's a bit of a tongue twister. Anyway, multiply the denominators. 11 times 7 is 77, so that's our denominator. Then 11 minus 7 is 4. Square that and you get 16. And then at the end, always add 2. To recap, multiply the denominators. 11 times 7 is 77, and that's our denominator. Then subtract the numerator and the denominator. 11 minus 7 is 4, and 4 squared is 16. So that's our numerator, and then always add 2. And that does it for the sum of reciprocals. Now that you have an idea of how to do this kind of question, I've provided a problem set in the description of this video for you to try a couple for yourself. If you need me to clarify anything for you, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, leave a like, and if you really loved it, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you later.